If you are looking for something easy, especially on a weeknight, then you are going to love this recipe. Namaskar and welcome to Curries with Bumbi. Okay, the first thing you need to do is marinate the chicken. In a bowl, add some plain unflavored yogurt along with some water. Then red chilli powder. I am using Kashmiri red chilli powder that is mild in terms of heat level. But you can use any red chilli powder of your choice, or maybe paprika. Little bit of salt and then freshly crushed black pepper. Using a whisk, mix very well to get a smooth texture. Then add the chicken to it. I used chicken drumsticks, but you can also use chicken thighs. In fact, chicken thighs taste even better. Now put this in the refrigerator and let it marinate overnight. The next day, take out the chicken at least half an hour before you start cooking. Here I have a cast iron skillet with about 3 tablespoons of oil in it. Place the chicken in the skillet and reserve the marinade for later. Okay, here I have about a tablespoon of softened butter. In it, I added a good amount of grated garlic and ginger. Then about a teaspoon of smoked paprika, ground cumin, ground coriander, little bit of turmeric powder and mustard powder. Then use a few tablespoons of that marinade and mix to form a paste. Coming back to the chicken, sprinkle some salt, then freshly ground black pepper and apply some of that spice paste on the top. Reserve the rest of the spice paste for later. Now into a 375 degrees Fahrenheit preheated oven for 30 minutes. In the meantime, add that spice paste to that marinade and mix well. Here I have sliced 2 potatoes into about 1/4 of an inch of thickness. Okay, take out the chicken after 30 minutes. The chicken is not yet cooked. This recipe is a one-pot goodness, but it has a few steps. Take out the chicken onto a plate. Add the spiced up marinade to the skillet along with a teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next, add the potatoes along with some salt and pepper. This is such a great recipe. Chicken and potatoes and all those spices along with yogurt. I mean, what's there not to like? Then I sprinkle some dried thyme, and I know I'm pronouncing that wrong, but that's how it always comes out from my mouth. Next, nestle the chicken in the potatoes and spoon some of that yogurt spice mix on top. Back in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes or until a meat thermometer reads 170 degrees Fahrenheit. At the 20-minute mark, spoon some of that gravy on top. And back into the oven again till done. 45 minutes covered, the chicken is done. But we have another step. By mistake I added parsley now, but you should do this at the end. I was probably out of my mind on that day. Now take out the chicken onto a plate and cover it with a foil to keep it warm. Increase your oven temperature to 420 degrees Fahrenheit and in goes the potatoes again for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, out comes the potatoes with a crispy exterior along with a beautiful thick gravy. Place the chicken back into the skillet and serve it right away with some yogurt cucumber raita. The link to that recipe is running on the YouTube card above, or maybe you can serve it with a salad. Please give me a thumbs up and send me your feedback after trying this recipe. Bye bye.